the case when we have to show that whether the three vectors are collinear or not. Then the condition for collinearity and coplanarity is same. The method we follow is same there for when we have 3 points, when we have 4 points. Then here we see that how we can solve them. I am taking a small case for that. First question is just like in this way. If we have a vector A is equal to A minus 2B plus 3C. Another vector I have 2A minus 3B minus 4C, and the third vector I have minus 7B plus 10C. And we have to check that whether all the three vectors are collinear and not. And then here we just simply find out the determinant all of the three. We take the coefficient of A 1, then minus 2, then 3. Again here we take the coefficient 2, minus 3 and minus 4. In this case the coefficient of A is 0. Here it is minus 7 and here is it 10. Now we have to solve it by the same process, that means minus 30 minus 28 plus 28. Now minus 2. Now for the 2, 10 to the 20, minus 0 and again 3, that means 0 and plus 3. Now solve it. 1 minus 31 plus 2, 20 and 3 3s are 9. We have minus 31 plus 40 plus 9, and we got minus 31 and plus 31, that is 0. So when the determinant of all the three vectors we got 0, then all three vectors are collinear vectors and also known as coplanar vectors. Now see the case for the 4 vectors. When we have 4 vectors, then how we can solve that, whether they are coplanar and collinear. This was the video till end. I will also tell you the different cases, and if you want some other videos for like that, you can click the links given below in my video. Now just consider another case of 4 vectors. We have 4 vectors here, 2i plus 3j and minus k. Second vector I have I plus 2j plus 3k. Third vector I have here 3i plus 4j minus 2k. And the fourth vector we have I plus 2j and 6k. To check whether all these 4 vectors are collinear or not, we have to just find the position vectors. We have to find just AB. Then we have to find AC, not PC. From only one vector we have to find differences of other vectors. AD. Now how we find AB vector? We have to subtract vector B minus vector A. That means I plus 2j plus 3k, and the vector A 2i plus 3j minus k, and we have to subtract them. So minus and plus. We have the answer minus I minus j and plus 4k. Similarly we find other vectors. We have to find now AC, that is C vector, 3i plus 4j minus 2k. And second one is 2i plus 3j minus k. We have got the answer minus and plus, that is I plus j and minus k. Now third vector, AD vector. AD vector is what? Vector D is I plus 2j plus 6k. Another vector is 2i plus 3j and minus k. Now subtract both the vectors. We have to change the sign here. Minus I, minus j and 7k. Now we got all the 3 vectors here, and now easily we can check whether all these 4 vectors are coplanar and not. We again made a box of in this way. Firstly, this one vector, coefficient of minus I minus j plus 4k. I just write here, then you can easily understand. Vector AB, we got minus I minus j plus 4k. Vector AC, we got I plus j minus k. And vector AD, we got minus I minus j plus 7k. Now we again follow the same process which I told you earlier in case of three vectors, and when we got the answer 0, then these all four factors are collinear, and we have not got 0, then they are not collinear. Now I am going to check coefficient of this minus 1 and 4, coefficient of another vector 1 and minus 1, last one minus 1 and 7. Now just solve this value. We have minus 1, 7, minus 1, minus, then plus, minus 1, 7 and just 7, minus 1, and again we have 4, minus 1, plus 1. Then we have minus 1, here we got 6, plus 1, here we got 6, and it is 0. Ultimately we got answer 0. That means all the four vectors are coplanar to each other. Now for example, we also a type of question in vectors that some vector is coplanar to other two vectors, then find that vector. This is the last question I have taken in this video. For more videos, just click on to the link given below. You can easily get the other videos of vectors. Now we have that question in this way, find a vector which is coplanar with I plus 2j and 2I plus 3j. Plus 3j. Same way, we just take here A, B and C. 1, 2, K का नहीं है मेरे पास, then 2, 3, K का नहीं है. आप इसको सॉल्व करिए. A 0 minus 0 minus B 0 minus 0 plus C, we have 3 minus 4. That means minus C only we have. That means we have the vectors minus j, which is coplanar to these two vectors. मान लीजिए मैं एक और क्वेश्चन ले रही हूँ which has 3D conditions. ये तो मैंने 2D conditions के लिए ले लिया, where we have the components of only x and y axis. For example, we have a vector A is equal to I plus 2j plus k and B is equal to I minus j plus k. Now here we have to find a vector which is coplanar with these two vectors. मतलब that vector is and these two vectors all are collinear with each other. So we have to find A, not A, just write here P, Q and R. 1, 2, 1, coefficient of A, coefficient of B 1, minus 1 and 1. Now solve it. P 2 ones are 2 plus 1 minus Q 1 minus 1 plus R minus 1 minus 2. ये देखिए. I think that you know all these things. Then we have 3 minus q into 0, and we have minus 3i. That means we have 3i minus 3j. This is another vector which is coplanar with these two vectors. In another videos I will take some other examples. Thank you for watching me.